What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mohneyy, and I'm coming back to, slay you guys' lives with another eye look. So if you guys want to figure out how to get this look, stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up, and stay tuned for the giveaway details. So today we're going to be doing Get Ready With Me for Work. So if I'm talking a little fast, it's because, I'm on a time crunch. I gotta go. I gotta leave, okay? I cannot be late to work. Well, I mean, I can, but I shouldn't be. So I already did my eyebrows, concealed everything, just to get it popping, started. So that way this video could be a little shorter. So I'm gonna be taking this palette, of course, and I'm gonna start with this really pretty yellow color right here. And I'm just gonna be packing that in the crease, like my transition shade, y'all. But yeah, guys, I woke up probably like 30 minutes ago. Woke up at 8:25. I slept terrible last night. I don't even know why. I just could not sleep. I woke up and it felt like my thumb was freaking jammed. Today's gonna be a long day, but it's Friday. It is Friday. So happy Friday, you guys. Hope y'all enjoy y'all weekend and it's lit, Oh my gosh, guys, so I saw the funniest thing on Instagram, right? So if y'all don't know, if y'all are not up to date and stay in the news, Donald Trump's, what's it called? So if y'all are not up to date with politics and stuff like that, then I'm gonna take this orange color in the same palette, pack that red underneath. Y'all are not up to date with news. His former lawyer basically called him out. He called him out on he just aired out the man's all his dirty laundry, right? So it was so funny because there was something on Instagram and it was like, he said somewhere in his speech, like, I was loyal to a man when I shouldn't have been. And everybody was like, join the club. And I was like, damn. I'm just happy my current boo is not like that, because, I think it's the most hurtful thing when you really, you like really care about somebody and they just do you dirty. You know what I mean? Like, well, I don't have to deal with that. But sis, if you are, word of advice, if you are dealing with someone and they are doing you dirty, and you know they're doing you dirty, or you find out that they're doing you dirty, know your worth. Okay? Do not let these wrinkly, crusty boys mess with your worth. You feel me? All right, y'all. So, brief little intermission with the makeup. We're gonna cut our crease. Y'all know I cut my crease a little weird. I gotta pull my eye, because if not, I don't know. I feel like my cut crease doesn't come out the way I want it, like shape-wise. Does that make sense? I already told y'all. Dry the eye. And apply. Alright, y'all, so now I'm gonna take this this like blue color. Sorry, yeah, there's like some sparkles in there. I can't even tell y'all where it's from. Like, seriously, I can't even tell y'all. So I'm gonna take just a flat brush. I love the way this one picks up color. Spray that thing. I'm just packing out where I just cut the crease. Y'all, when I'm telling y'all, I have never done my makeup for work for this job specifically. I just never have, like, next, y'all, I'm gonna take and I'm gonna mix this color with a little bit of the orange and just blend out this what's it called? This corner of my eye. This NYX matte liner. And I'm gonna just draw a real thin line on my eyelash line. Like, yo, honestly, I do want to get back to the good old days where, like, I could do a killer wing. Yo, it has been so long since I wore a wing, like, so long. Popping, y'all. We popping. Okay. Next, I think I'm gonna take these kiss lashes. Now, y'all, we got 15 minutes before we gotta be out this door. Okay, 15. So I'm taking my my MONEYYY 2-in-1. Y'all already know the deal. Only foundation, broken pump. Okay. We're just putting that all on our face. I did my hair prior to this. If you want to know how I got this bun, I will leave it linked. I don't know what side it's gonna be up here. It's gonna be a little eye, like a little circle with an eye in it. Y'all can click that after this video is done and go watch how do you know finesse perfect buns. I feel like when I do my makeup and then I try to do my edges specifically, my boy should not have done that, but my edges specifically, it like the foundation will mix in with the edges that'll mix in with the gel, and that junk is just, it's not cute. Maybe we can get our nose right, y'all. Let's see. we're taking our air spun. Y'all already know. This is what I use for my contour. And just light hand. I said a light hand and then I did that to myself. Y'all, when I say it's fine, we gonna fix it. I'm gonna just take this big fluffy brush and try to, yeah. That's it. We good. I'm gonna take this MAC bronzer. It's pretty, you know. We gon' yeah, I don't know why my freaking foot is numb. It hurts so bad. Yo, it's highlight time. Watch out for me. I'm about to glow. Yeah, y'all see that. Mascara. This is the MUA Professionals. Alright, y'all, if y'all can block this eyelash, just don't. If you can, don't. Because it's making me mad and I gotta go. I'm gonna be late because this thing. But y'all, I'm using this MUA lipstick. It's in the color 607 Plum. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And now for the giveaway rules. So rule number 1, you got to be subscribed to my IG, which is going to be right here. Okay? Rule number 2, you guys have to be subscribed to my channel. Like, you got to be. Why would I give y'all something if y'all not? You know? Leave me either, comment down below either your IG name or your email, and I'm pretty sure that's it. Just subscribe, follow me on the gram, and comment down below when you're done that you've done all 3, and that's about it. Now, it is 100, so it's small, so it's gonna be a small giveaway. So I'm gonna give you guys like a $25 Forever 21 gift card and a cute little lip gloss. That's what y'all win. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for getting me to over 100.
Y'all, excuse my lipstick because it is just all on my tooth, so I am so sorry.
Because I'm over 100 right now. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.